In today's video, we're going to be talking about washing windows. From old school technique to some neat tools, right up to some of the commercial products that are on the shelf today. So let's grab our squeegee and get cleaning the windows. So in doing an internet search on how to wash windows, there is a ton of ideas and concepts and products out there for washing windows. So we've assembled a few different products that we're going to use today. We've got some old school basic vinegar and water, 2 parts water, 1 part vinegar. We've got some regular brand name window type cleaner, and we're going to be putting that on. We've got regular hot water, hot soapy water. We've got some cleaning cloths. We've got old school variety squeegee and sponge. We've got some new high-tech silicone based wipers. See how well that does. We've got your old familiar squeegee. And another idea we have is using newspaper instead of using a sponge. They can now be used for cleaning up water, doing your windows, and then just going in your composter. As you can see, we're now outside. This was our best window in order to use to demonstrate all the different products we've got. Let's get going. We're going to start with our old style squeegee and sponge and some hot soapy water. See how well that works. So I'm just going to start at the top and work my way down on this side. Now we'll give it a squeegee off. Just work your way along the edge and then you can start working your way down. Washing windows is pretty straightforward. It's just whatever tool feels the best to you and allows you to get a good movement and flow and make the best contact possible. I definitely give this one an 8 out of 10. So we're going to try the 3-in-1. It's got a container that you can put whatever solution you like in it. We're just going to put a little bit of Windex into it to give it a try. Just give her a spray. Use the cleaning head. Remove the heavy debris. And then we just squeegee it off. So the squeegee's a little stiff. It doesn't do a great job. It also leaks all over you. So this definitely wasn't the best investment for my money today. So you know what we do with these sort of things? That's right. This thing's a 0 out of 10. So next on Chris's hit list is this newfangled contraption. This is a silicone wiper blade. Very flexible, should do a great job of squeegeeing that water off. He even has his own watering capture tray. But let's give that a try. You still got to wipe it down, and now we'll try the squeegee. Well, that worked pretty well. I kind of liked it. You still have to use a different cloth or something for actually washing the window, but it certainly cleaned off the water really, really well. It even ran into the tray instead of down the handle and onto your hand. So from that, I'd give this one a 9 out of 10. Next one I want to try is just the squeegee. This new style plastic squeegee with this super flexible rubber. So we're just going to give it the same kind of wash we did previously and use this squeegee. Give her a spray. Give her a wipe. So the squeegee worked really, really well. Nice wide blade, nice and flexible, but kept its nice straight line. Did a great job on the window, no streaks, cleared the water well. And the beauty of it is, you can even use it on your shower stall doors. I definitely give this a rating of 9 out of 10. Now for a more environmentally friendly version, vinegar and water, 2 parts water, 1 part vinegar. And instead of using a cloth, we're going to use newspaper. Watch this. You know, that's pretty cool. I kind of like this. I've never used the newspaper before. I saw it online, thought we'd give it a try. And you know what? It's not streaky at all. It cleaned really well, and it's totally environmentally friendly. This is just now going to go in composter and vinegar and water. Best way to go. I'll give this all natural setup a 10 out of 10. I think it's terrific. Well, that was pretty easy, and you know what? It was pretty fun. I don't typically do windows, but this was a good experience. We get to try some old stuff, some new stuff, and some old tried and true. And for me, the old tried and true is the best. Thanks for watching today's video. Hopefully the tips that we've shown you work well for you so your windows come out like a pro.